Welcome students to our another class. In today's class I am going to teach you about MS Excel. So here I am going to open an MS Excel sheet. As you can see, I already made a mark sheet of some students. So first we are going to learn how to shift a whole row. As you can see, we are going to select the computer row as we are going to shift it. So select the whole row, then click on right cut option. Then you have to select the row where you want to shift. Select again the right option, then simply click on the paste option. As you can see, it already shifted. Then to adjust it, you have to simply drag the cell to manage it. So here we are applying the same method for total section. We shifted it. So this is the simple method for shifting a row, or in the same method you can also shift a column. So now we are going to learn how to calculate the total sum of numbers. Here we are using the formula equal to sum. Then first bracket open, select the number, drag to that number you want to sum of, then select the closing bracket, simply enter. As you can see, we get the number 326. This is the sum of this number we selected before. Then for another student's total, we are not going to apply the same method in each cell. We are going to simply drag it. As you can see, I dragged it. So this is the simple method. We don't need to do it again and again. Just simply apply the formula for one, then drag it. Next thing we are going to learn it is alignment. Simply go to the alignment section, select the whole thing, then you can select left, right or middle alignment. I am as you can see selected the middle alignment. Then we are going to make another cell of percentage. As you can see, I made the cell of percentage. I dragged the cell for adjustment. So for percentage we are going to apply the same formula equal to sum, first bracket open. For percentage we are going to click on the total cell. Then we have to divide it by 500, because as you can see there is 5 subject, each subject 100, then into 100. Then simply click on enter. As you can see, we got the percentage 65.2%. Then we are going to simply drag it for another student's percentage. So this is the simple way you can calculate the total marks of the student and the percentage also. This is a very simple and easy method for calculating by using formula. I am selecting the names of the student, then going to change the font. So I am just changing the color. I turned it into red, then selecting the bold option. Then I am increasing the size of the student's name so it will look more beautiful. Then I am selecting the title session, student's name and the subjects, total and percentage. Then I am again increasing the size. As you can see, I selected the 14. Then again I am bold that, all of that. Then I am selecting the center alignment. I think the center alignment doesn't look better, so I selected the right alignment. Okay, so you can select it by your own. I am dragging the cells so it will look more perfect. It will look very neat and a perfect mark sheet. So you can follow this method for a clean mark sheet. So Now I am going to learn you how to merge the cell. Here in alignment session there is merge and center. Here you can see there is merge cell option. So I simply click on it. As you can see, the cell is merged. Here you can put the title, as I am putting the title as a mark sheet of class 5. Okay, I put the title. Then I think I need to make the alignment of this title in center. Then I went to the alignment session again and make it as a center alignment. So I increase the size into 16, then bold it and give it a underline, so it will look more neat and proper. If you like this video, then please subscribe and support us.